Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are going to introduce ourselves from a group of 10 consisting of Wildan Setiawan Effendi, Alfi Einstein Rakbau, Saiful Riki Yulianto, Sang Arya Ananda, and Ferdi Pratama. We will present the result of our group work on the theme of Metaverse. Metaverse is expected to have a strong connection with the real-world economy and eventually become an extension of it. In other words, the Metaverse must have the ability for companies and individuals to participate in economic activity in the same way they do today. Simply put, this means being able to build, trade, and invest in products, goods, and services. The Metaverse is a network of always-on virtual environments in which many people can interact with one another and digital objects while operating virtual representation or avatars of themselves. Think of combination of immersive virtual reality, a massively multiplayer online role-playing game, and the web. The Metaverse is a concept from science fiction that many people in the technology industry envision as the successor to today's internet. It's only a vision at this point, but technology companies like Facebook are aiming to make it the setting for many online activities, including work, play, studying, and shopping.
The metaverse doesn't exist right now. A new metaverse exists in the imagination of visionary entrepreneurs like Mark Zuckerberg and his friends. If the metaverse really materializes, it will potentially change the way we live our lives, such as socializing, working, doing business, and literally everything, including how capitalism works. For companies, the metaverse opens up endless possibilities to make profit in unimaginable ways. For creative industry players, especially in the digital and gaming fields, this is a land of hope that is wide open for you. This is a new era that uses the virtual world as its core.
Metaverse. The metaverse has been a hot topic of conversation recently, with Facebook and Microsoft both taking claims. But what is the metaverse? What is the metaverse? It's a combination of multiple elements of technology, including virtual reality, augmented reality, and video, where users live within a digital universe. Supporters of the metaverse envision its user working, playing, and staying connected with friends through everything from concert and conference to virtual trips around to the world. When can we expect to see it? Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of the newly named Meta, formerly Facebook, estimates it could take 5 to 10 years before the key features of the metaverse become mainstream. But aspects of the metaverse currently exist. Ultra-fast broadband speeds, virtual reality headset, and persistent always-on online works are already up and running, even though they may not be accessible to all.
Implementation. Video game. Several components of metaverse technologies have already been developed within modern internet-enabled video games. The virtual world platform Second Life, a fabled science 2003, is often described as the first metaverse, as it incorporated many aspects of social media into a persistent 3D world, with the user represented as an avatar. Social functions are often an integral feature in many massively multiplayer online games. Technology journalist Clive Thompson has argued that the emergent social-based gameplay of Minecraft represents an advanced implementation of the metaverse. Similar statements were made for the game Roblox, which has since employed significant usage of the term the marketing. Other claims of developing a metaverse include the game Active World, the Palace, and Fortnite.
Implementation, virtuality. Metaverse development has often focused on bettering virtual reality technologies due to benefit in stabilizing immersion in virtual environment. In 2019, the social network company Facebook launched a social VR world called Facebook Horizon. In 2021, Facebook was renamed Meta Platform, and this chairman, Mark Zuckerberg, declared a company commitment to developing a metaverse ecosystem. As such, of the underlying virtual reality technology remained to develop it. Microsoft acquired the VR company Altspace VR in 2017 and is planning on integrating metaverse feature into Microsoft Teams.
Okay, that's all for our presentation group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.